Evening. The main reason for recording this evening, I said I was going to take a time out from the recording thing, but this went working down by the south, because remember I was the same big job I tell you about. So anyway, we're trying to wrap it up, because people down there and everything. So anyway, look a big pot of that potato, the potash, but cause first let me just update you about last night, because last night we have a little spending, party last night. And anyway, I wasn't even going to update anything like this, because I just want to say, some straight progress on some things. But, just a little intermediary video. This is just the update. And I'm just thinking, I wanted to mention how the potato is awful. And, just to record it and stuff. That potato is just the worst thing in the whole place here. Potato, I don't think there's anything worse than those potatoes. And, we end up boiling them and thing. You think instead of keeping them in the same room, we just throw them in the garbage. But maybe that's the error right there. So anyway, we'll deal with the potatoes, and there's a half a pot left. I won't even video it. I don't think it's even camera worthy. So we just sometimes you can eat and feel fulfilled in a ways, but you still just feel as if worse than if you may be hungry or something. I don't know how to explain this. I don't know if it's explainable or what it is. But anyway, right now I'm trying to do some editing, you see. You understand? Just listen. And listen again. And keep listening, because we'll do some editing, right? And we're trying to figure out which videos belong to which videos, and which videos and whatever it is, right? But it's taking a long time to do, because it's already 10 o'clock right now, and we started this around as soon as we came in about 8 o'clock or sometime like this, and then start working on the videos. And then we said, what, we'll start cooking, and then cooking with quotation marks, right? And then start working on the videos. But then most of the time is just spent sorting the videos out. So this is what I mean by organizing stuff and making sure everything is in the proper whatever, you understand, and in rows and columns and stuff, or whatever, even some simplified, the main thing is, as long as you know where to find your stuff, right? That's it. But as for me now, I'm just trying to sort these videos out. So no real editing or no much editing. And look at me now, adding one more video. Real smart. Anyway, we're going to continue now. And like I said, I just had to ramble and rant about potatoes, because they're really disgusting, you understand? And I don't know what kind of people even eat that kind of potatoes. You understand? So we just have to, we don't really have much to say else. We didn't really want to say anything else, but we just have to make a loud uproar about the potatoes. Otherwise, might feel or think everything, the potatoes is good or something like that, or everything's set or whatever. No, we just have to make a bit of an uproar about potatoes, because potatoes are really disgruntled, and it really fears me up. You see, it fears me up and out and down, and just a real phase. But anyway, you think a guy would just complain about something, upgrade the thing or whatever, or or just shuffle up the thing or whatever, but the guy just hold on to the same, and make all kinds of complaints and stuff. You understand? So I think this guy really secretly loves potatoes, but I don't know what to say. But that's all. It's all for now. But that last bit that I said, it's not the case. 100%, 110.